Hello guys! Today we will talk about the number of solutions of a system of equations. Firstly, let's consider the pair of linear equations in two variables, x and y. For example, a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 is equal to 0. a2 x2 plus b2 y2 plus c2 is equal to 0. As you see, this is a system of equations. Here, a1 and a2 are the coefficients of x1 and x2 respectively. b1 and b2 are the coefficients of y1 and y2 respectively. c1 and c2 are the constant terms also. While considering the system of linear equations, we can find the number of solutions by comparing the coefficients of the equations, and also we can find whether the system of equations has one solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions by graphical method. In this lesson, we will learn how to find if a system of equations has one solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions. Here we have three cases. Let's talk about them. Case 1. If a1 over a2 is different from b1 over b2, then there will be one solution. Let's write. If a1 over a2 is equal to b1 over b2, and these proportions are different from the ratio of C1 to C2. In this case, there will be no solution. No solution. And the last case, case 3. If all ratios of coefficients A1 over A2, B1 over B2, and C1 over C2 are equal to each other's, in this case we say that we have infinitely many solutions. Okay, and so in the case 2, and also we can say that this type of equation is called an inconsistent pair of linear equations. If we plot the graph, the lines will be parallel, and so for the case 3, we can say that this type of equation is called a dependent pair of linear equations in two variables. And also, if we plot the graph of this equation, the lines will coincide. So, let's show example. Let's return back to our slide. So, in the content of problem, in the content of question, here you see the system of equation is given, and this system of equations has no solution. You are asked to find value of C. Okay? So, how can we find the value of C? By using case 2, we can find the answer. So, 2 over 5 is equal to negative C over negative 9, and these proportions must be different from 9 over 11. So, for solving these proportions, we can use the first two proportions, and by using cross multiplication, we can obtain answer. Negative 18 is equal to negative 5C, and also C is equal to 18 over 5. Positive 18 over 5. So correct answer is C.